eyes, you want to eyeball your feet. So yes, blurry eyes, whether it's from looking at the computer too long, because we know many of us are working from home, whether it's allergies, whether it's eye pain, whether it's your teary eyes, itchy eyes, you want to eyeball your feet. Let me show you what I mean, all right? Bam. So let's go. Feet, between your first and your second toe, you want to go into the middle. Right here, dig into the middle and find that tender spot. When you find that tender spot, you want to dig in. That's the first eyeball. Okay, hold it, massage it for 30 seconds. This is QRA acupressure. So the next eyeball between the fourth and your fifth toe, and you want to go and dig in for that sensitive spot right there, right? When you find the sensitive spot, and press for 30 seconds. Need some extra help? How about this? See that eyeball right there? Got the eyeball? Eyeball number 1, eyeball number 2. So you want to massage these for 30 seconds, both of these eyeballs for 30 seconds, and you want to do that at least once a day. Once a day, you can do it twice a day. You can do it right after you are working on the computer for like 8 hours, or more. Why does this work? Because those two nerves, those two areas connect to your liver and your gallbladder. Your liver and your gallbladder help refresh your eyes and decrease that pain. If you like what you hear, click the follow button. Follow me here for more of these awesome